Hello everyone. In our previous video, we have learned about cloud computing and some terms related to cloud computing. Today, in this video, we learn about Google Docs and Google Drive and their functions. So let's start. Google Docs. To start Google Docs, open Google page in the web browser, then click on Sign In. Google account page will appear. Now type your login ID and the password. Password will appear in the form of black dots. Your login ID and password are same as that of your Gmail account. Then click on Next button. Google page appears again with your login details. After then, click on Google Apps button. A list of Google Apps appears. To open any app, click on it. Now, we learn about Docs, so we click on Docs. This area shows your template gallery. You can select and work on it. Click on blank to start a new document. An empty document will appear on your screen. You can click on the button to return to Docs home. Type your text. This document will be saved in Google Drive. Google Drive is an online storage used to store your data. Rename the doc. By default, the name of the blank document appears as untitled document, but you can rename it and give it a new name. To do this, first click on File menu, then click on Rename option. Then type the name you desire in the box and press Enter key. The new name will appear in Docs app as well as in Google Drive also. After creating the file, you can share it with your friends, family, relatives, etc. through email. First click on Share button. Share with others dialog box appears. Then type the email ID of the receiver. You can share the file to more people by typing the email ID of them. Click on Send button. The email is sent to the people you shared with. After creating the file, you can share it with other people through a link. For this, first click on Share button. Again Share with others dialog box appears. After that, at the top right, get shareable link. A link of your file appear. Copy and paste the link in an email or any other place you want to share it. After finishing your work in Google Docs, you must log out from it. To do this, first click on Google account. A pop-up window appears. Then click on Sign Out button. The Google Docs window will close. When you create a document in Google Docs, it will automatically be saved in Google Drive. Google Drive is cloud storage which is developed by Google. Drive gives you 15 GB of free Google online storage. To start Google Drive, first open Google page in the web browser. In the Google page, click on Sign In button. Google account page will appear. Type your login ID and the password, then click on Next button. Google page appears again with your login details. Click on Google App button, then click on Google Drive. Google Drive window appears. The file you created in Google Docs is stored in Google Drive. You can also share this file to others using Google Drive. After finishing your work in Google Drive, you must log out from it. Now you will learn how you upload any file or folder from your computer hard drive to Google Drive. You can easily upload any file or folder. To do this, first click on New button. A drop-down arrow appears. Then click on File Upload option. Navigate and click on the file you want to upload. Then click on Open button. The selected file is uploaded to Google Drive. Organizing file or folder. To creating a folder, click on New button, then click on Folder. New folder box appear, then type a name of the folder. A new folder is created in Google Drive. Moving a file to folder. Select the file you want to move. Click on More Action button. A drop-down menu appears. Then click on Move to option. Then click on the folder in which you want to move the file. Then click on Move. The file will move in the particular folder. Delete a file. You can delete a file which is no longer needed in Google Drive. Whenever you delete any file, it goes into trash folder. If you want to delete the file permanently, you have to delete it from trash. First select the file you want to delete, then click on remove button. The file moves to the trash folder. Restore the deleted file. As told earlier, the file you delete goes into trash folder where the file stays for a few days or a few weeks depending on how often you empty the trash. You can again restore the files which are in trash to their original location from where you had deleted them. Click on trash option where all the files displays which you have deleted. Click on restore from trash. The file disappears from the trash and reappears in its original place. Whenever you want to remove any file permanently, you have to delete that file from the trash. To do this, first of all, click on trash. Trash displays all the files you have deleted. Select the files you want to delete forever. Click on delete forever button. After uploading and organizing the files in Google Drive, you can also share these files with your friends, family, relatives, etc. To do this, first select the file or folder you want to share, then click on share button. Share with others dialog box appears. Type the email ID of the receiver, then click on send. A pop-up will appear to confirm the process. After finishing your work in Google Drive, you must log out from it. For log out your drive, click on Google account icon. A pop-up window appears. Then click on sign out button. The Google Drive window will close. That's it. So children, hope all concepts are clear in your mind and you will be able to do this practical part easily at home and enjoying it. Thank you. Take care.